So this is part 3 of talking about the face and foundations, and I've already primed my whole face and I've got some BB cream and pressed powder down this side, and I've kept this side to show you how to use concealer to highlight and also to conceal, and then I'll use my liquid foundation as well to give that full coverage. So this is Younique's concealer. It's fabby. You need the tiniest little bit and it goes such a long way. It can even cover up tattoos. So if you're wanting to use your concealer to highlight, you put it on before your foundation. So I'm just going to get a tiny little bit on my finger and I'm just going to use my concealer brush, and I'm just going to conceal under the eye area because this is where I get dark circles, and this is really thick, this concealer. You don't need much at all, it goes a long way. So I'm just going to paint that on, and you want to come down in a sort of triangle shape, like so. Now you'll notice the big blemish here on my nose. What I'm going to show you is if you're trying to conceal, you want to do that after your foundation, but to highlight, get that concealer on underneath. So I'm just going to highlight under my eye, and then I'm going to show you, this is our liquid foundation, and the shades that I'm using, this is Organza and this is Organza. So get your liquid foundation brush, give the bottle a good shake. This is a mineral based liquid foundation. It's really light and silky. It gives a sort of medium coverage. It's not heavy at all, and it's got this little pipette sort of dropper, so you just want to give it a squeeze and just put a few drops on the brush. You can put them in the middle, but I quite like to put them around the outside. Personal preference. And then I've already done this side, so what you want to do is just dab it around and then start to buff it in little circular motions, like so. And it smells lovely, this foundation. It's really, really light, and it goes on liquid but sets to a powder. And you'll see it gives you a little bit of coverage over that blemish. But what I want to show you is how to use that concealer not only to highlight before but to conceal after. So that's the coverage you get from the liquid foundation. And then using our foundation and concealer brush, just get a tiny little bit of product again, and with the concealer end, this is almost like a stippling brush, so you're just going to dab on top and then blend in. And I've probably put a little bit too much product on. Now it's quite a bump I've got going on in my nose, so it's not going to smooth the bump out, but it's completely covered up the redness and the colour, like so. And then you can use that again if you wanted to just give under your eye area a bit of a touch up. Any other blemishes. Another good thing to do with concealer as well is to use it around your nose and your mouth, because these are the bits of your face that you touch the most. So to get your makeup to last all day, just put a little bit of concealer around your nostril and around your lip line, and then what that means is it's going to stay in place a little bit longer. You're not going to have to touch it up. There you go. So that's a quick demo for you of different types of foundation and how to use them. We also do a cream foundation in a compact form, which is full coverage. So if you've got really troubled skin and you just want a full coverage, then the cream foundation is the one for you. All of the foundations mineral based as well, so it lets your skin breathe and it lasts ages. So that's me over and out. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.